Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Bybit app. So if you also want to update Bybit app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So updating the Bybit application is very easy. It is very important to update your Bybit application if you want to enjoy new features and benefits. So in order to update the Bybit application, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here what you have to do is search for Bybit. After that you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the application for Bybit. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find two options, uninstall and update. So all you have to do is tap on the update option that you can see on the screen. After that wait for a while and you can see over here your application will be updated. Once your application is updated, instead of update option you'll be able to find the option for open. That means your application has been updated and you're using the latest version of the application. So that is how you update Bybit app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.